guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you my slimes. So I used to have I used to have I have 5, but one got slimy, one got thrown away, and I got this one. It's Flarp, but it's not actually Flarp. I made it and put it in a real container. See, if it was Flarp, it won't like do that. And then I got another one in a bag because I lost the lid. This one's purple. In another container from the store. Oh, there's a piece of hair on me.
Alright, I'll be right out. People on here are loud.
Hi, Daddy. So there it is. It's purple, dark purple. See, really slimy. This, what was the brand it came from? There's a big old box, but I didn't get that because it will get too messy. So I got it. It was pink. I mixed it with my other slime. That's the slime which tried to got thrown away because I threw the rest away. No, it's under my bag actually. It's all melting. So I tried to help it and put it in this slime, but it didn't work. So it's just this sticky slime. So let me put the wrapper back on it. So I'm just gonna show you guys my blue one. So let me close this pink one up. Purple one, the color, the box, so it doesn't dry up. So here's my blue one. It will drop out if it was hard.
All of that, but you never give me how to be.
So that's what my slime is. It's kind of blue. I like it. It's not that big, but I like it. I wanted to make my nails. It goes good. It's like.
Oh, so now I can read.
So one is purple, one is red. Already, but they're falling off already. So I'm gonna put you guys like right here. Okay, I love this slime. Let me move it over here. Woo! Oh no! Look at guys. Oh no. This is what I'm doing. So yeah. Oh no, you guys are placing up. Okay. So I love this slime, really stretchy. I love it. So it is clear. I did use clear glue. See? Flarp doesn't have clear glue. It has white glue. And a lot of water for jiggly stuff.
Over here again? Dude, I could get no kills over here.
Watch, I'll make a slime or a Musical.ly troll and go check out my Musical.ly.
Dude, bring me that ass. Dude, these niggas aren't giving me that ass.
Okay.
Give me that ass.
This is what my slime troll looks like. This past the slime troll. The bubble troll. Bubble.
You almost had me, but
it passed the slime troll. The stretch troll. Oh, yeah, that one slipped. This is my sister.
Oh, what slipped?
And so there's the stretch contest. So it did the bubble contest one. We did the what else did we do? We did the bubble and the Musical.ly scroll, and now we're gonna do the poking test. I think it's gonna pass because I always poke it.
Get out of here, faggot!
You guys can hear that? See,
oh my god, you scared the shit out of me, buddy. You can't be doing that.
The stretch test, it passed all the tests. Dude. Bro, this one's so good. Okay, I can't stop playing with it. Okay. it doesn't make no fart noise. Probably sometimes a day, but it looks different in the camera, but it's actually really blue. Okay, moving on to this one with this build. I don't think it's gonna pass because it's gonna hard to beat.
Fucking pussy, get that out of here. Give me all that neck.
Okay, so it's really sticky.
This is too easy.
I don't think it's gonna pass
I'll
the
take that scar.
stretchy test. It's definitely gonna pass the stretchy test. I don't know about the bubbles test
No.
or the poking test because right now it feels like.
That nigga easy as fuck.
Watch out, straight. You guys can hear that? That was loud.
Is that a person?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, so I am going to put that back in there.
Get that out of here.
Remove the wrapper. Okay.
Get that out of here.
Look at that beautiful.
Okay, so I'm going to
Well,
take a
once after
little bit
guys,
out.
I get the point.
Mine has some.
Okay, so this is it. It's really sticky.
Swear to God, if someone didn't hear
Pass
me.
the click test. No bubble.
Dude,
No pass
come
bubble
on, please
test.
die so I can get that 30
No,
kills.
it passed the stretch test. That's good.
You got the 30 kills.
But it didn't. It's. I don't like it. It's not the right
Oh no.
slime. So I'm gonna go back to my blue one. I didn't spend that much time with this one because I don't like him.
You witnessed it.
I play with him once in a while. Shaving
Yeah.
cream every day, so it could be fluffier and not sticky. But
Yeah.
look at the bag; it's all ruined.
32.
Yeah.
So,
Was that this morning? I was at 29.
so yeah, we're done with the video. Psych! You guys are gonna watch me still play with this blue one
Yeah, girl.
and show you what else I have with this. The purple slime is not that good. But the blue one is actually the best. It is not FARP. If it was FARP,
It's fart.
if it was FARP, it wouldn't be stretching this much. Or making a bubble.
Lonnie.
Or the click test.
Stop.
It'll pass the click test, but if we put it in the container, it won't fart.
Mine good out for it.
Oh no. Okay, it does that.
Lonnie.
Oh no, look it.
Mine good out for it.
It's a little bubble. My brother's talking about Fortnite. We play it all the time. Oh no! Sticky. Sticky. Okay, so I would put it on my camera.
Lonnie.
Every day I go to program because I
Oh my
love
gosh.
What?
Blop.
Mine
Blop.
good out for it.
Yeah.
Bye guys. I hope you guys liked this video. Give the thumbs up and follow me on Musically. Bye.
Musically, man.
Bye.